And there is one our brother Mahmood. He wants to share his experience. Yes, Mahmood, away, please. If you turn on video and please go ahead.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mahmood. In the US, my experience is a little over 3 years. I'm working with a big Fortune 500 company as a solutions advisor. My base experience or expertise are data center, server storage, and stuff like that. What I want to say here is I hear it a lot of times that AI is going to eat a lot of jobs. Yes, it is going to eat a lot of jobs, but those are the jobs that are stagnant. Those are the jobs of people that are not learning. I basically started as a simple technician, a computer technician. Today, I'm working on solutions for AI. So I just want to piggyback on whatever has already been said. Everything is agile today. We need to work harder and faster. That is right. We need to learn a lot. That is correct. The main thing is, even if you're using AI to do whatever, coding, automation, testing, whatever you are doing, AI is going to make it a lot faster, but AI makes mistakes. We use AI a lot during our work. I use it for building solutions. I use it to build bombs and stuff like that. The main issues that I always see, as I already have experience of more than 30, 35 years in this field, I have been building solutions, I have been implementing solutions, but I see mistakes in the solutions made by AI. So whenever I get a recommendation from AI on a solution, I always recheck it. And more than 90% of the times, I had to change the solution to match customers' requirements. So, yes, AI is going to eat some jobs, but it is going to create a lot more jobs for us. But we have to make sure that we keep our pace fast enough to stay with AI and we learn how to use it. So, there are a lot of things that we can say about AI because it is a huge infrastructure and it has a lot of parts. So, nobody has to worry that AI is going to impact them as long as they are willing to learn. So Salim Bhai, Shahid Bhai, Mansoor Bhai, all of them, whatever they are saying, I second that. I have been in this market for very short time. They are a lot experienced than me, but I have seen these things. I have been working in the IT field for over 30, 35 years, and I have seen all these things. I have seen these changes, and I second every word that have been said until now. That's all I have to say.
Thank you. I think your point is very valid. I just want to clarify a tremendous opportunity for everybody who wants to be in the AI. Right now, the reason AI hallucinates is because organizations thought that, oh, they can buy some enterprise version of LLM like OpenAI or Claude or something, whatever they invest in, because it's kind of sexy to invest in AI. And they just dump the AI and then let people use it. The reality is that the LLMs are just a raw engine. The beauty of an AI would really come in when we customize an LLM into a RAG, the domain experts for that particular function, or for domain for that particular use case. I mean, we're in healthcare, thousands of LLMs, but there are not enough medical LLMs, right? There is not enough people that we can hire if they have expertise in creating RAGs for medical industry or healthcare industry. And within healthcare, there are subsectors, right? So it's outpatient, it's acute, post-acute. And within post-acute, there are 20 other factors that come in. I would say that if people can get into LLM, in every one of these steps will take a tremendous amount of QA. I liked the phrasing of Mahmood here earlier, in which he said, it is refreshing jobs, right? If somebody's decided to be in technology, then they must make a decision at the time that they're getting into technology that they're going to embrace the change. Technology is designed to change, right? So no one can be stale and complain about technology changing because the purpose of technology is to change. The second part is within the AI, the need is just far exceeds because I think the MIT just released that study a couple of months ago in which they said 87+% of the projects in Fortune 500 are failing the AI investments. And I just laughed at it because they just bought an enterprise version and never refined it. Refinement takes every single skill set that we have to make it work. It's raw. The LLMs in AI today are just raw cognitive power. It's just raw. If you want to make a burger, you just don't buy cow and then just say, oh, now I can make a, like there needs to be a process. There needs to get to the beef patty and put it, there is a whole slew of process that needs to be deployed for AI, for us to exploit the power of AI. And at every step of the way, you need QA. Every step of the way, you need belief in a core belief in the use case, as well as understanding how can it further improve. So sorry, it just took a little longer, but thought to share that part because there's just tremendous need